Hello, we are the SpaceX fans and welcome to the SpaceX Show, the place where you can stay up to date with everything SpaceX. On Wednesday, SpaceX successfully launched their 86th Falcon mission of the year with the launch of Starlink 15.2.
1. Ignition. And liftoff of Falcon 9. Go SpaceX, go Starlink.
The booster which launched this mission, B-1093, then landed successfully for the fourth time on the drone ship Of Course I Still Love You.
Landing leg deploy.
A few hours later on Wednesday, SpaceX successfully launched their 87th Falcon mission of the year with the launch of KF-1.
1. Ignition. Engines full power. And liftoff. Go Falcon, go Kuiper.
The booster which launched this mission, B-1096, then landed successfully for the first time on the drone ship A Shortfall of Gravitas.
Touching down on a shortfall of gravitas.
Stage 1, landing leg deploy.
A few days later on Saturday, SpaceX successfully launched their 88th Falcon mission of the year with the launch of Starlink 17.3.
1. Ignition. And liftoff of Falcon 9. Go SpaceX, go Starlink.
The booster which launched this mission, B-1082, then landed successfully for the 14th time on the drone ship Of Course I Still Love You.
Stage 1, landing leg deploy.
This coming week we can hopefully expect to see a bunch of Falcon missions launch. The first of these, the O3B mPOWER 9 and 10 mission, is currently scheduled for tomorrow, Monday 21st at 10:12 PM UTC or 6:12 PM EDT. The following day, and we should see another customer mission launch. The Tracers and Others launch is currently scheduled for Tuesday 22nd at 7:13 PM UTC or 3:13 PM EDT. A couple of days after that, and we should see a Starlink mission launch. The Starlink 1026 mission is currently scheduled for Thursday 24th at 10:12 AM UTC or 6:12 AM EDT. Then another couple of days later and we should see another Starlink mission launch. The Starlink 17.2 mission is currently scheduled for Saturday 26th at 3:09 AM UTC or Friday 25th at 11:09 PM EDT. Heading to Boca Chica, SpaceX have been continuing to adapt the Pad 1 BQD for Starship Ops. Work has been continuing on the static fire adapter too. SpaceX have lifted and installed the static fire adapter stand onto the Orbital Pad 1 launch mount. Additionally, the work on the Orbital Launch Pad 2 site has been continuing. I wanted to share a cool little drive-by of the Star Factory building with labels indicating what nose cones are for what ship. Here's a look at a new construction project going on near Star Factory. Groundwork for the new Gigabay is continuing with pile driving still ongoing. SpaceX are seemingly making good progress on clearing and repairing Massey's test site. Elon Musk posted a cool picture of a super heavy engine section being lifted out of the water for recovery. Starship Gazer posted a cool picture of the first integrated hot staging ring spotted inside Star Factory. It says the first integrated hot stage section for the next generation version 3 super heavy boosters is visible in the Star Factory tonight. Elon Musk posted some information on when we might expect to see the Starship Flight 10 launch. He said launching again in around 3 weeks. Starship 38 continues to be worked on inside Megabay 2. As always, I have to say thanks to both Cesar Garcia and Jack Beyer for being out there filming the Starbase content. Also thanks to the NASA spaceflight team working behind the scenes on their videos, live streams and other space content. That's it for this episode of the SpaceX. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to hit the like button and leave a comment down below. If you want to stay updated with SpaceX info, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified when I upload. Thanks for watching and have a great day.